So babes, welcome to BK Special.
Do it properly because I'm not in the mood to do the intro.
Someone's not in the mood to do an intro.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Today's video is not planned at all.
We're going to Hatta today.
Are we? I know, the map is off, so I really don't know where we're going, girl.
Are you kidding? We're going to Hatta today.
Inshallah.
You have not done
Someone
your
was
research.
doing the research and mentioned that there's one Hatta in Dubai and the other Hatta is in Oman. Oh my god. But as far as I know,
I've read it somewhere. No, I've read it somewhere. It's like this content that.
There is only one Hatta. That's it. Hatta,
But anyway, that's how many hour drive from Dubai? 1 hour 40 minutes.
I mean, it's 2 hours, but I'll make it in 1 hour 40 minutes.
If I am driving, I will make
Because
it
I am
1
Michael
hour.
Schumacher!
So right now we are just going to get food,
What do you want?
nuggets and fries. If you can also get coffee.
Yeah.
Can you hear me? SOS.
Guys, we're here. Oh, it's so cool. Yay! Welcome, welcome, welcome.
What's up?
We're just heading to the reception right now. Bike. Hey. What bike? Hey guys, so we have just arrived here in Hatta. It's okay.
Sorry.
No worries. Okay, we're just waiting for our room because check-in time is at 4 and it's still 1 p.m. So we're just waiting for the call. And just
Inshallah.
okay, so just check out the place and appreciate the beauty. That's where we're gonna be staying,
Are we
right?
gonna be on the top right there?
Yeah.
Because we have the
What?
sweet room.
Okay. Okay, so what are we gonna do now while waiting for the room?
Let's wander around. You wanna have some coffee, something to eat or drink?
Buy cup or something, and their table, look at that. It's so cool. What?
Time to ride. It's time to hit the black trail. Get up the black. I have all this on my garment.
Which one?
All the trailers. Yeah, I downloaded
Okay, is the room ready?
Oh my god, we were just recording just a few minutes ago that we're waiting for the room and we have some good news. We now have the key. So we're now here in the buggy. To our humble abode. This is our barbecue grill station. That's our neighbor. And this is the room. So here you'll have the mirror, your safe, your TV, your bed. What? Washroom. Shower. outside. Our balcony. Babe, what are we gonna do now?
It's bike time. Let's go.
Alright guys, so we're just getting ready. I have my helmet. Do we have to wear the mask all the time? Not necessarily, right?
Now you have to wear it.
Yeah?
Now you have to wear it, go out. Okay, cool.
Not necessarily, if you go out.
Give me your mic.
Where do we go?
Technical.
Guys, this is the view. Just literally panting now. It's been a while since I rode a bike. Cycling. That was very tiring because we took the technical route. Where are we going now? Just water. They have
Milkshake.
shake. What can you say about the ride?
And my girlfriend is lazy.
Excuse me?
Excuse
When
me?
was the last time that I rode a bike? Oh, see? But it was fun, especially the downhill part. When you speed up, that's fun. When you have to go through those rocky parts, like
The jumps. Amazing.
the jumps. So we're just resting right now, and we are just waiting for our drinks. First activity is done for the day. It's already 5:45, so I think we're just gonna rest for now. What is up, you guys? I'm just scared right now. They must be thinking that we have food, or we are food.
Oh, look at that. Lady Gaga.
I think that's the front office manager. The leader of the band. Leader of the band, and these are the... See that badass looking face? I want to go near. Will they bite?
That's the assistant front office. No, that's the general manager.
General
That's Akshay. This is Sambit.
I am gonna post this.
That's you. Completely lost.
Fudge you. This is so tiring.
Climb up from here.
Yeah.
Will you?
You wanna race?
Oh, please, come on.
Okay.
Don't wanna leave.
Sure? On your mark, set, go! Because you have long legs, that's why. This is like a struggle, guys. That's our hut. It's actually not a hut. Lodge. This. So I don't know what's gotten to us. We had to take this. Oh, fudge. Huh? Oreko. We've reached our destination. Not quite, but see? There. Look at that. So beautiful. Beauty at its finest. Oh. We're gonna do some barbecue shortly. Can we just leave our shoes here? Outside?
AC because it's fucking hot.
Alright. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Good night.